Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. I am using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for the past 2.5 months and it just received a new software update. This is the first of 2026 and it sized 566 megabyte. Before installing, one important thing, this update keeps One UI at 8.0. So One UI 8.5 is still coming later. I am tapping the update button and start talking. As you can see, the update size is only 566 megabyte. This looks like a regular monthly update, not a major UI upgrade, but these small updates are still very important. Many people often think small update doesn't matter, but they actually do. These small updates always and often improve system stability, fixes known bugs and random glitches. It obviously includes the latest security patches. It sometimes optimizes battery and performance and keeps all the apps compatible with newer system changes. Even without any new features, these updates help your phone stay smooth and secure. Precautions you need to take before installing any update. This part is very important. Before installing any update, always remember your battery percentage must be above 50%. You should use stable Wi-Fi connection and avoid mobile data, and you must have enough free storage inside your device, and just in case, backup all of your important data. And don't do anything, don't click any button during the update process. These few simple steps can save you from serious problem. So my update is now just downloading. After that it will verify the file and I need to tap the restart button. My phone will automatically restart and install the new update. I don't need to do anything. So keep your expectation small. Don't expect any big visual changes after this update because One UI remains at 8.0. But we might notice smoother animations, fewer hitting issues, better background performance, improved security level, and the major thing is we are expecting One UI 8.5 hitting our S25 device anytime in near future. So stay tuned. If this video helped you understanding this type of short update, then please hit like and subscribe to Galaxy Station. I will test my phone after the update and share any insights I feel necessary to share. Thank you.